Thanks for video tutorial present by Blavin Schneidermeister command code 77094725 present to Jennifer Vanessa Murcia group 55100174 May 2021 Universidad Abierta y Distancional Valledupar Cesar. The International Phonetic Alphabet. Let us present the pronunciation of word exactly through a phonetic symbol. Different kind of consonant. In this part, you can see unvoiced consonant. F, 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 fat, k, com. As you can see, this k, you put this example because the sound is the same. Come. And the next one, p, pit, pit. Ship, ship, tongue. Chin, chin. Thick, thick. Pressure. As you can see, in those consonants, there's no vibration in the throat, makes no sound in the throat, while in those consonants, voiced consonant, makes vibrations and sounds in the throat. V, v, vat, vat. Rum, rum. V, v, bit, bit. Z, z, zip. V, thumb, thumb. Ging, ging. This, this. Pleasure, pleasure. As you can see, there's vibration and sounds from this in the throat. Now, the three consonants that I choose are P, T, and K. That's the sound. For example, pit, pit, potato, plate. As you can see, the sound is produced putting your lips together. P, p. And the sound is produced in the mouth, not in the throat. Now, the next one, T, T. The sound is produced in the mouth too. The sound of it is produced by skidding the tongue over the teeth. T, T. Example, tomato, take, tool. And the other one, K, K. In this case, you have to realize the sound produced for this consonant is similar to K. For example, come, cup, cup. Those are unvoiced consonants. This sound k is produced in the upper part of the palate and is cutting the air that comes out with tongue. K k now now come come. Thank you for watching.